All right, Chris, now that we got you all set up, there's just one more thing I want to do before we go, and we do this for all of our new members. And what that is we want to establish a baseline for you. And really what that is, we do that through body composition, okay? Basically establish where you are and where you want to go. Now, how much do you weigh?
230.
230, great. And remember earlier when we had done your body composition, we had noticed it was at 30%, okay? Now, based on the pictures here, what body shape do you really want?
Realistically,
Yes.
for myself, this guy, 15%.
15? Okay, great. So if we're at 30% and we want to go to 15%, what that simply means, if I was to do all the math with you, is that we've got to lose about 39 pounds of fat. Because some fat we need. We just don't want to keep all of it that we have now.
Right.
Okay?
I've heard that before.
Okay. So based on the amount of pounds that you can safely lose per week, you're looking at anywhere from 39 to 52 weeks to do that. Okay? So now that we've established where we are and where we want to go, the next thing we want to establish is a schedule. Do you have an idea of how many days a week you're willing to come?
At least 3.
Okay. And do you have days designed?
Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Okay, like that. Those are actually the most popular. Are you going to be more first half of the day or second half of the day?
Second half.
Okay, great. So now we've established our goal, we've established your routine. Let me show you what this transformation is going to look like real quick, okay?
Awesome.
Now I want you to remember 2 very important numbers. Can you remember number 1 and number 1?
Yep.
Okay, good. The first one, you can safely lose about 1 pound of fat per week, okay? And the second one is you can add 1 pound of lean muscle every 4 to 6 weeks approximately, okay? And that's important to know as we transform you from where you are to where you want to go. So here you are, this is you right there, you're starting out, you're staying consistent, you're coming to the gym, we get to month 1. You've already lost 4 pounds of fat, and you've actually already added 1 pound of lean muscle. Okay, you're staying diligent, you're continuing to come. Here we are at the 4-month mark. At this point, Chris, you'll already have lost 16 pounds of fat.
Wow.
And you'll have put on 4 pounds of lean muscle. Now at this point, you'll actually start to see some shaping a little bit. You definitely are going to feel a lot stronger than you did in the beginning. Yep. Okay. You may even start to see maybe a half a ripple of an ab or 2 as well. Okay. By the time we get to month 6, you'll have already at that point lost 24 pounds of fat. So we'll have actually technically achieved almost our fat goal loss, but we'll have only have added 6 pounds of lean muscle. Now at this point, you're definitely going to start to see the shaping. You're going to definitely feel significantly stronger than you did from month 1. But we definitely still at that point aren't where we need to be, correct?
Right.
So our focus at this point from month 6 to 12 is to really put on those finishing touches. So at the end of 12 months, I mean, if you wanted to continue to pursue the weight loss, you would be north of 50 pounds. But more importantly, Chris, you'll have added 10 pounds of lean muscle, which is going to put us right in line to put you at that 15% mark.
Awesome.
Now, in order to do that, it's going to take 97 to 144 workouts, give or take the consistency throughout the next 12 months, coming 3 days a week. Are you willing to come 97 to 144 times to become that guy?
Over the next year?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, good. I just have a couple more questions for you. 1, once we get you there, are you looking for this change to be temporary or permanent?
Oh, permanent.
Okay, so you're looking to buy, not rent?
Yeah, I've played the temporary game before.
Okay, all right, good. Now, accountability is important. And obviously we'll do a lot of that for you here. But who's going to help hold you accountable outside the club? I mean, friends, family, social media? Which one stands out as the best avenue for you?
Family.
Okay.
Maybe some friends as well.
Okay, good. Social media at all?
A little bit.
Listen, I'll tell you, it's great because there's accountability when you announce to everyone that you just signed up. But 2, you actually could be an inspiration of others that maybe have been thinking about it. So I always encourage people to definitely put themselves out there and post on social as well.
Cool.
Now, one last question. If I could design a program for you that accomplishes these exact things, would you do it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now, at this point, if there's any hesitation, if it's no, I don't want to join, I'm not interested, at that point, immediately go to your perk sheets and book an assessment. But if there's any confirmation or any point of interest at that point, you're going to want to proceed to presenting rates, which is the next video.